How to add any audio in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Click on your project and then click on your video in the timeline, and at the bottom scroll to the left side and click on volume. After you've clicked on volume, make sure your volume is 0. After you have done that, click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, unselect the video and then click on audio at the bottom. In the audio section, you'll find all these options. Click on sounds, which is the first option. Then click on folder like option beside TikTok. Then click on from device. And you'll find all the audio from your device in here. To add the audio, simply press on the plus sign on the right side. After you have pressed on the plus sign, it will directly add the sound to your video. And this is how to add any audio in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.